Lauren and Antonio met through a dating app. They met over drinks and dinner, and they played board games throughout the night. They saw each other a couple times here and there, but the thing I remember most during their dating phase was the look in her eyes when she talked about him. And then I finally met him, the infamous Antonio, the stranger who bypassed our gateway and stole our precious Lauren away. I didn't like it one bit. But it only took one meeting to realize that Antonio was in a different league from the rest of them. This guy was not only a gentleman, he was kind and attentive, he matched her energy blow for blow, and was a hopeless romantic just like her. This man gave her actual butterflies, and would eventually become the Ross to her Rachel, her lobster.
What can I say about Lauren? Her laugh is contagious and it always fills a room. I remember growing up, always wanted to say things and do things that would make her laugh. I was the annoying little sister, always bugging her just to see her smile. Until this day, she's the only one that thinks I'm hilarious. She taught me a lot growing up. She taught me how to be brave by making me go into a scary room to turn on the light for her. Even though I was really young. She taught me about money management by giving me 2 quarters in exchange of my dollar, because 2 is more than 1. But the most important thing that she's taught me is to never settle. I always hoped that she'd find someone to match her ache for adventure, and she found that and so much more with Antonio. I've never seen her glow as much as she has since they've met. I've always been really picky with the boys she's introduced me to, but I loved Antonio from the second he smiled at me and said, "Hi, I'm Antonio." I'm proud to call Antonio my brother-in-law. I may be the younger sister, but now I have an older brother too. I love you guys, and I'm wishing you both a happy and very long marriage.
Antonio, you are hands down the best person I've ever met. I remember years ago a friend asked me what I wanted in a partner. I responded that I wanted someone kind, family-oriented, and someone I could be silly with. Someone that wouldn't care what people thought if we broke out into spontaneous dance in the middle of the street, or in our case, break into song while making breakfast on a Sunday morning. Being here today, I can wholeheartedly say I got all that and more.
Lauren, I love you so much. I still can't believe how lucky I am to have you in my life. I thank God for letting our paths meet and not a moment too soon. There were times when I questioned if my other half even existed, so I feel blessed to have had the emotional endurance to be ready at the right time for you. We have been fortunate to have had so many wonderful experiences, ranging from awesome concerts, exploring national parks, and romantic getaways, just us two.
I vowed to be the wide-eyed Ellie to your Carl and plan adventures for us. I vowed to give you snacks when you get hangry. I vowed to go to concerts with you, remember some weekends are for watching sports, and buy you gummy bears when you're stressed. I vow that laughter, love, and communication will be prioritized in our home. You are my best friend, and I feel blessed beyond words to get to be your wife. I love you, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
I vow to be your forever concert buddy. Whenever you need a +1 to a show, I will be there for you. I vow to help you explore as many national parks as possible, hopefully fully visiting them all someday, with me by your side. I vow to go on at least one big or new trip each year because I know how important exploring is to you. I vow to stand by you through life's happy and challenging moments. I know life will throw obstacles our way. I want you to know I will put in the effort to figure them out together. I also vow to find ways to keep us laughing as much as we do now. I love how silly we are together and want that to continue through old age. I love you so much, and I'm so excited for our time as a married couple to start. Adventure is out there, and ours together is only just beginning.
Perfection. I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. Of someone like you. You close, I would give my life for you, you know. And I swear to never let you go, not even for a moment. I'm feeling like we just met, haven't held your hand just yet, losing track of things we said. Get to know you more, and you don't even know what for, but you're the one that I adore. And I know you wonder why I act the way I do, after everything that we've been through. I just wanna make you feel brand new. Open up. Everything I am belongs to you. You're the only one that I turn to. Dinner by the candlelight, country songs and pillow fights. I'd spend all my days falling for you. Yeah.
I'm scrolling through social media, and they're on another trip, and they're in Hawaii. Same thing, they were both very, very happy. And I thought, wow, this must be somebody special to Tony, because she's getting Tony out of his comfort zone. And they're traveling the world. I was like, she is somebody Tony needs to hold on to. As I learned more about Lauren from Tony, I knew that she was the one for Tony. After all those years, Tony figured out that formula of looking cool and getting the girl. He figured out those core pieces to that problem. So cheers to Tony and Lauren in a long, loving, and prosperous relationship as a married couple. Cheers.
Everything always falling for you.